Hello. Um, a small extra thing about exercise 10. Um, we were going to solve this system of three equations with three unknowns. Um, we did that in MATLAB and it appeared that the solution was 50, 50 minus 100. So that's 50 for fs1, 50 for fs2 and minus 100 for lambda. So what I want to do is now check whether this is a good solution, and you can do that by substituting it. So we have 0.04, 0, 0.02, 0, 0.08, 0.04, 0.02, 0.040. So that's our A matrix. Multiply that by the supposed solution. So that's 50, 50, 1 minus 100. And if all goes well, then the outcome of this equation should be 0, 0, 3. So I want to check whether this indeed comes out. So for the moment, I will put a question mark over here because we have to check it. So that will be 0.04 times 50 plus 0 times 50 plus 0.02 times minus 100. Is that equal to 0? So what I did was this times this plus this times this plus this times this. And the outcome of that should be equal to this one. And that is exactly what this says. Well, 0.04 times 50, that is 2. So here we have 2 plus 0 times 50. Well, that is of course 0. And then we have 0.02 times minus 100, and that is minus 2. And we ask ourselves, is this equal to 0? And well, you see the answer because 2 plus 0 minus 2 equals 0, and that indeed equals 0. So that is a hint that the solution is correct. Now we do the next one. So 0 times 50 plus 0.08 times 50 plus 0.04 times minus 100. Is that equal to this 0? Okay, let's check. 0 times 50 is 0. Then we have 0.08 times 50, that is 4. And here we have 0.04 times minus 100, and that is minus 4. And of course, the solution is correct because 4 minus 4 equals 0, and that is equal to 0. Okay, now let's do the third one. I have good hopes. 0. So this was the first check. This was the second check. And now for the third check. 0.02 times 50 plus 0.04 times 50 plus 0 times minus 100. Is that equal to 3? Okay. The first term is equal to 1. The second term is equal to 2, I think. Yes, 100 times 0.04 is 4, but we don't do 100 but 50. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So this equals 2. Then we have 0 times minus 100. That is of course 0. And the right hand side was 3. And now we have 3 equals 3. So this is also a good, or this is a hint that the solution is correct.